I can't believe no one told me these things when I started trading. I mean, who would have thought that it's possible to win like this on Forex? Just imagine, by simply using some simple indicators on the chart. This is really worth it. So today I'm just going to share these two indicators that we're going to be using. They are completely free. This is MT5, this is Euro USD M15. We're on the 15 time frame. These two indicators really blew my mind away after I really learned how to use them. Everything is all here. So the first thing that you're going to do is to come to the main chart over there. So I'm just going to give you the settings first. So you come to the main chart function up here, and you're going to look for relative strength index. On the relative strength index, I want you to go and type period 14, apply to close, and then for the levels, just click this pencil over here. If you click that pencil, it's going to take you somewhere right this side, and use that plus sign you see up there. You see this plus sign over here. If you click it, you're definitely going to be getting those numbers, and make sure that you choose a good color that is going to be visible on your chart. So now guys, I want you to type 90, 80, 10, 20 and 50, and then we just go back this side and make sure that all the time frames are completely visible like that. And then make sure that you remove this one, just make this one white, the style down there, make it white, because it's really going to mess up your screen. Then the next thing you have to do is to just come up here and click save. Make sure you click that save button, or else everything will just be for nothing. So the next thing that you're supposed to do is to come to the indicator window 1. If you come to the indicator window 1, look for envelopes. You're going to type period 2, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method smoothed, apply to close, and then levels, please just leave them like that, and you can choose any color you want. And let's go back. Make sure you click save. Remember, that is how we are going to be getting on this screen over here. So just down here you can see we have this RSI and our envelope. So that is RSI, and then the envelope is this one just inside the RSI. And remember about the signal group, it's still going very well. We are winning. We are definitely winning on the signal group. Things are really going well. We are back from the weekends, and everything is really going amazingly well. So what we do on the signal group is that we tell you that you have to buy now. As you can see, we just give you everything on the signal group. This is the VIP signal group, by the way, and you see buy, and then the stop loss, take profits 1, take profits 2, and we are good to go. We keep on winning. So for you to enter on the signal group, just open an account with FPS. There is a referral on the video description. Check that out, and then you can deposit any amount that you have. Just deposit any amount, and then what you are going to do is that you are going to send me the screenshot that you have already deposited that amount, and you'll be on the VIP signal group. Back to business. Let's go back to business now. So what we are supposed to be doing here, all I want you to do is to move your chart sideways. So you move your chart like this, so that I want you to make sure that price is not repainting. You can see that right now it's as if price just come, the envelope just came and hit the 90 line level over here, right? But that's just a false signal, because if I move it like that, it's all gone. It's all gone. So make sure that the envelope is really hitting on the 90 line level like it did on this point over here. So that's the 90 line level, and after it hits the 90 line level, I want you to just to take note, when it gets to the 80 line level, make sure that you start to do what you can make your first sell entry. And if ever it gets to the 50 line level, which is this 50 over here, meaning if it just moves from here to here, make sure that you enter another sell, so you can just sell again over there. And this one is very simple. If you are a good scalper, you're really going to be doing much on this one. You can even use the 5-minute time frame, very much recommended. And that is how we get to sell. And if you want to ensure a buy, this is what you do. Just wait for price to come here, or the envelope just to get to the 10 line level. And once it gets to the 20 line level, that is where we are going to do what we are going to place our first buy. And once it gets to the 50 line level, that is where we are going to enter our buy trade number 2. So that is how simple this one is. This is the envelope, and this is the RSI. I really want you to go and try this one out. We can do this as much as we want, because as you can see, after entering our trade just down here, you can see that price really took off all the way this side. So just imagine how much pips and how many pips you would have pegged just right there. So it gives you that symbol signal, all we have to do is to wait for price to hit the 90 line level. Once price hits the 90 line level and gets to the 80 line level, you know that we're about to do what we're about to sell. And once we sell over there, you can see, just look at that, price has really made a very massive move over there. You backed your profits, as simple as that. And if you want to buy, once price gets to the 10 line level, we are good to go, and 20 line level, then we begin to what we buy. And as you can see, price takes off immediately. Back test it on all the currencies. You're definitely using that site, and make sure that it's going to work for you. This is very simple. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Feel free to subscribe. Bye bye.